do a peanut butter face mask, we will give you 1,000,000 likes. Let's go! Liquidy. Ew, why does it look like that? Add a peptide. Let's turn it on. Let's dump it in the mold. Let's try it. Oh my god.
You guys know I'm really into skincare and I've been seeing a lot of people making their own homemade face masks. So today we're gonna try and make our own face mask. Also, today we're gonna have some help. The Foreo Imagination DIY Mask Base. All we have to do is come up with the ingredients we want to put in the face mask, mix the natural ingredients with a teaspoon of Foreo Imagination Mask Base. I'm gonna see what I have in the kitchen and we're gonna mix it right up. I already moved my hair out of the way because, you know, I was about to dip it into something. So first we mix the natural ingredients. I decided to go with homemade honey, some coffee, because then we can actually use our mask as a peeling when we take it off as well. Multitasking, people. And also we are going to use some cinnamon. This already sounds like a really good cake. First I'm going to be going in with the honey. After the coffee I'm adding some cinnamon. Mix it up a little bit. This is the consistency. And now in the end, some coffee and mix it up really, really well. And in the end, a teaspoon of the Foreo Imagination Mask Base. Just a little bit. It is gonna be a lot easier to put it on your face this way. I'm just gonna pop it in my skincare fridge for 20 minutes. Get it nice and cold and then we're gonna put it on our face. However, you don't have to wait. The tryout is posted on Foreo's page right now, so go and
Somebody say, eyeball face mask. Run it! Let's turn it on. Oh, look over here. Whoa, that's so weird. Now I'm just laying out some eyeballs. Perfect! Let's turn this off. Dump it in. I'm gonna let her cool and then we're gonna try it. Let's try it. Oh! Oh, the eyeballs fell out. Can you do a slime face mask? Like this video right now to give me good luck. I think I'm gonna mix this Nickelodeon slime with this Goofy slime. This one is really like liquid and this one's a lot more solid. Okay, let's dump in some gooey slime. Then we're gonna put in some of this slime. Now we're mixing those together. Warning, keep away from heat. Let's put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Attempt to turn that on. Now we're gonna dump it into the mold. Now I'm just patting that in so it fills up the whole mold while leaving like the eyes open. So this is what it looks like and I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it on my face. I just put it in the fridge. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Whatever the wheel lands on is the type of face mask I'm gonna do. Sprinkles. 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 Do you like the sprinkles? Let's go. This unicorn horn is a weapon. Now I'm just adding a drop of my blood. Wow. Peptide. Turn it on. Now I'm gonna stop and dump it on in the mold. Now we are gonna let her sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks like a unicorn threw up. Can you make a matcha face mask? That I can. Run it. Now we're gonna add our matcha. Now we're gonna dump it into the blender. Let's turn it on. We're gonna add our peptide. There's one, there's two. Let's turn it off and dump that into the mold. And now we let it cool off and I'll be back to try it. Let's try it. It actually worked. Please make a rose petal face mask and we will give you 2 million. Run it. We're just gonna dump this into the mold. Now I'm gonna pull off some of these rose petals to throw in. Now that I got them all off, we're gonna add them in. Now we're gonna add in our peptide. Now I'm gonna put some of the extra petals into the mold. Okay, this is what we're looking like now. And it is time to turn this off and dump it in. Now I'm gonna let it set in the fridge and we'll be back to try it. Let's try it. Okay, it actually worked, but it's like sliding off my face. Thanks for watching. Please do a candy corn face mask for spooky season. We will give you 1 million likes. Do I look festive? Let's go. I feel like this is not right. Oh, she's hot. Oh, I just spilled hot water all over the place. Oh no. So like, I guess I'm gonna just... Now I'm gonna add the water, drop in the peptide. The blender's not turning on, so I'm just gonna do it. Never mind, I fixed it. Okay, let's turn her off and dump it. Oh, that looks juicy. There's a lot going on here. Let's try it. Oh my god. Make a coffee face mask and we will give you 1 million likes. Run it. Okay, so instead of boiling water, I'm gonna be using coffee. So I'm just adding this to the fill line. Now I opened up this K-cup and I'm gonna empty the coffee grounds into the blender. Now I'm gonna add a collagen peptide. Let's turn it on. Somebody is very interested in what's going on here. It's been going for like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna dump it into the mold. It looks awesome, so I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna be back to try it. All right.